Pretty compact unit. Nice. One HDMI, one USB, VGA, headphone jack, and the lens cover. Sweet. HDMI cable, power cord. I'm gonna plug it in, give it a test. I'm not gonna use these old-fashioned connection. Let's see, power cord. Nice and tight. I love the carrying case, by the way. Set it up, plug it in. All right. Let's see. According to the power meter, it is drawing about 45.5 volts. All right, let me turn off the light. Turn off the light. Have it focused. Lights off. And here we go. I'm using this one dial to focus the screen. I think that's good enough. I'm gonna plug in a Chromecast right here. HDMI connection, power bytes on USB. Well, nice. See, this one connection powers two. These two connection powers one providing power. The other one is HDMI. Nice.